Engaging with your family, like having a family get together quite often, is a very effective way to keep yourself engaged and keep your happiness quotient or your emotional quotients at a higher space. Hello everyone, my name is Kanchan Rai. I am mental and emotional well-being coach, and welcome to FitTuck. Today we will be talking about few effective ways to take care for our mental and emotional well-being as we age. A challenged brain is considered to be the healthiest brain. So when kids are grown and you have retired from your job, you find yourself struggling to stay engaged or stay busy, and you might feel depressed. But considering few factors and adopting few changes might help you to ease the process, or I would say reverse the process. So first of all, engaging yourself is very important. Maybe you can involve or you can engage in a new hobby or learning something new which you have which you always wanted to but you couldn't because of the time constraint and all. Engaging with your family, like having a family get together quite often, is a very effective way to keep yourself engaged and keep your happiness quotient or your emotional quotients at a higher space. Having a pet is often considered to be the best thing for people, those who are aging or those who are living a retired life. Having a pet gives you a sense of responsibility. You are quite engaged with activities revolving around the pets, like taking out for a walk, food, bathing and other services which are much important for the maintenance of a pet. Learning something new is often said to be a very good stress buster, and it also increases your confidence. It also gives you a platform to meet to new people and engage yourself, something which is you haven't done so far. Keeping moving, like keep moving is again a very important factor, like a form of exercise, maybe a small walk or a jog. Considering the physical aspects is always advisable. So if you can't walk, maybe you can perform some chair exercises, which are again very important form to boost your moral or to boost your mood. And if you are in a very good physical state, or if your physical attributes are quite good, maybe you can involve in some kind of dancing, which is again considered to be a very mood elevating activity for people those who are aging. And last but not the least, having a spiritual connection and understanding the deeper aspect of your life really gives you or provides you a purpose, which is again very important. And it actually gives you a sense of learned or sense of experience which you have already gathered in all these years, and involving yourself with the kind of communal activity or a social activity, or being a volunteer to services which are very near to your heart, can give you a sense of achievement, can give you a sense of relishment, which is again very important. So if we consider these few factors, definitely the process may not reverse drastically, but it will stop and it will hold to the position right now where it is. So with this, I would like to end the conversation here, and stay happy and enjoy. Thank you.